The all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra is packed with a range of incredible features and unmatched capability. One sleek function you might not even notice is Tundra's available automatic air dam, which can deploy and lower to adjust the vehicle's aerodynamics to help optimize stability and efficiency. However, when it's time for service or routine maintenance, this air dam needs to be manually opened to provide technicians with access, which is incredibly easy to do. First, shut off the vehicle. Next, within 45 seconds of shutoff, raise and hold the wiper stalk upward for about 2 seconds. When it's time to return the air dam back, simply turn the vehicle on, select Drive, and go. It's that easy. And don't fret, there's a QR code beneath the chassis on the air dam linkage that any technician can scan to watch this video on how to manually open it. Whether tackling the terrain ahead or making vehicle service a little easier, Tundra redefines next-gen capability with its incredible performance, convenience, and seriously smart tech. Visit Toyota.com for more information about the 2022 Tundra.